Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and the XTR package giving you chrome accents and rims, as well as the Max Trailer Tow package giving you increased towing capabilities. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders, a 12 volt and USB and USB-C. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside to cool off or warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls to cycle through your center info screen here, where you have your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features, so you have driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your camera view, again with your front-facing camera, and then your hazards, traction control shut off, and moving down you have your media controls as well as your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet, as well as this compartment for more storage. Moving down further, you have a USB, USB-C, little hook, and this shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for even more storage. Then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pageford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.